If you're seeing the GOG installer error out of string range, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error is usually caused by a corrupted installer file, broken temp files, or security software blocking the setup process. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Now, let's jump right in. The very first thing you should do is download a fresh installer. This is the most common fix and the one that solves the problem for a lot of people right away. Go ahead and delete the old setup file from your computer first, because if that file is damaged, using it again will only keep causing the same error. After deleting it, go back to GOG.com and download a brand new copy of the installer. Once the new file is downloaded, try running that one instead of the old version. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the out-of-string range error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is run the installer as administrator. To do that, right-click the installer file and then click Run as Administrator. This gives the setup program the permission it needs to write files properly and make changes to your system. Sometimes Windows blocks parts of the installation when the installer doesn't have elevated permissions, so this step is very important. If that still doesn't solve it, the next fix is to clear your temp files. Temporary files can become corrupted or overloaded, and that can interfere with new installations. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run box, then type %temp% and press Enter. This will open your temp folder. Once you're inside, select all the files you can and delete them. Don't worry if some files cannot be deleted because they're currently in use. Just skip those and remove the rest. After clearing the temp folder, try the installer again. A lot of installation issues disappear once the temporary files are cleaned up. If you're still getting the same error, another common cause is antivirus or firewall interference. Security software sometimes mistakes game installers for suspicious activity and blocks part of the setup process. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, then run the GOG installer again. Make sure you only turn them off long enough to check whether they're causing the issue and turn them back on afterward for safety. If the installer works with security software disabled, then you know that your antivirus was the problem, and you may need to add the installer or GOG folder to the exclusions list. So to recap, if you want to fix the GOG installer error out of string range, start by downloading a fresh installer. Then run it as administrator, clear your temp files, and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall protection if needed. One of these steps usually resolves the problem quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy gaming fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.